Class 8, Lesson number 1, Computer System and Devices. Introduction of Computer System. A computer system has three main components: hardware, software, and human. The equipment associated with a computer system is called hardware. Software is a set on instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Human, however, are the most important components of a computer system. Human use the power of the computer for some purpose. In fact, these course will show you that the computer can be tools for the just about any from a business person to an artist to a housekeeper to a student. Incredible powerful and flexible tool. Software is actually a computer program. To be more specific, a program is a set of step-by-step instructions that directs the computer to do the task you want it to do and to produce the result you want. A computer programmer is a person who writes programs. Most of us do not write programs. We use programs written by someone else. This means we are user human who purchase and use computer software. What is devices? A device is a unit of physical hardware or equipment that provides one or more computing functions within a computer system. It can provide input to the computer, accept output, or both. A device can be any electronic element with some computing ability that supports the instructions of the firmware or third party software. Typical hardware includes a computer, mouse, speaker, printer, and microphone. A device may also be referred to as an appliance, gadget, or electronic tools. Two types of device: input device and output device. Input device: keyboard. Keyboard is an alphanumeric input device. Alphabets, numbers, symbols can be entered. A graphic tablet enables a user to create drawings on the computer by hand. Magnetic ink character reader. Human readable character are printed on documents like check using iron oxide. Magnetic strip reader are present on many plastic cards using as credit card or ATM debit card, etc. Smart card reader. Smart card reader are basically of two types: memory cards and microprocessor cards. Touch screen. A touch screen facility allows the user to interact with the computer system by merely touching various elements on the screen. A microphone is used to convert human speech into electrical signal. The processing device. Since modern computers are based on the IPO cycle, the P part happens in a subsystem of the computer like CPU. These memory registers are known as MAR and MDR. The memory system. RAM, as you have studied before, is a volatile memory. However, it may be necessary for us to permanently or for long term store a memory to be used later. For this purpose, there are many devices like hard disks, pen drive, CD, DVD, etc. All these memory devices have very different capacity. Output device. We have studied in early classes about the various output devices of a computer. Some of the are printer, monitor, speaker, headphone, etc. Monitor are display device external to the computer case and connected via a cable to a port on the video card or motherboard. Even through the monitor sits outside the main computer housing. It is an essential part of the completed system. Monitors come in two major types: LED, CRT. ALU, the entity responsible for the running computer program, is the CPU. PC, program counter. Shorter the memory address of the next instructions to be executed. Program instructions are stored in contiguous memory location so that by adding a small number to the PC, we get the next instructions. The addition of a number to the value in the PC is done by the ALU only. To understand how a computer calculates, we need to learn about two things. One is about the binary system. Second is how to add, multiply, divide, or do any given calculation with the number or logic value in the binary arithmetic. It is understand only two digit 1 and 0. Okay, do this. Okay, write down in notebook. If any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. And after watch this video, everyone read the lesson 2 times. Okay, minimum 2 times. If any confusion in course book and more details of device and computer system in your course book. Okay. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye, see you, tata.